Hello, this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech with a product review I think you're going to love. Like me, I'm an active YouTuber, but I also do conferences and I also do gaming. Hard to believe I'm a grandpa, yeah, I know. But I want to talk about a product called by ZasLuke, and it's a 3.0 video capture card that just came out and is extremely good and versatile, because a lot of the old video cards are now so expensive on the market, and you know what I'm talking about. But this one, I'm going to unbox it very shortly and talk about it. But it has an input output, so you can use it for your video camera, DSLR, all of that. But it also has an output, so you can connect it to a TV or a monitor. Or if you're doing video capture, you go out from your PS4 directly to your TV. Not only that, it has a headset connection. So you can connect either a gaming headset or you connect a microphone or anything else to it. And it works on YouTube, Twitch, live stream, Facebook live stream, Skype. And I'm using it right now on OBS. So let's get to it. I'll unbox it and we'll do a little test. So many of you, like myself, want to kick up recording in different ways. So I found this by ZasLuke HDMI capture device that kicks it up a notch. It captures at up to 60 frames per second at 4K with a pass-through rate of 4.4.4. So let's take a look at it. Very, very nice. I like the silver casing. Okay. You have a USB 3.0 output. You have a microphone in, a headset out. And you have an HDMI in, HDMI out socket. Your connector cable, USB 3.0, and comes with a HDMI cable, and oh sweet, look at this, USB 3.0 phone. So you'll be able to connect this to the USB-C. That's going to be an interesting test. I'm looking forward to that. So let's get on with it. We'll get on to testing it and see how this all comes out. Right now what I've done is I've taken the box and connected it. I have it hooked up to a video camera, which has an HDMI clean out, plugged it into the input of the box, and the output I've connected it to my TV set. Now let me show you what I've got going on here. So I have my TV set connected here as my throughput, and on the box I have the input and the output to the TV set. I have the USB 3.0 connected to my computer, and I have my headset connected to the device for the sound in. So right now I'm using that to record with, but you could also use it for anything else. Like I said, you could use this just for about anything, for gaming, for capture, for doing all the things that you could do, or if you're live streaming and you have it hooked up, that's going to really work out well. Just as a note, just as something you might want to do, I'm going through my main camera, but I want you to show you something, how I have this hooked up, and that is that you see that I have a circle ring and I have the video camera hooked up in the center, which gives you your best picture. But I just wanted to show you that. So when you're hooking things up and you're trying to set up your office or set up your video studio, this is something to look at. So as I said in the introduction, in the unboxing, this is a high-end video card for less than $70, which makes it a competitor with the Elgato box. Not only that, it can transfer information at 4K at 60 frames per second at 920 by 180, which is excellent. The other thing is it's small and compact. As you saw, it doesn't take up much footprint at all. Now, it's going to be great, for whatever you're doing, whether you're doing video game capture or you're doing a live stream, and you can use it on Skype, on Google, on WebEx, Port Player, and I was doing it on OBS, which is fantastic. The other thing is, if you have a video studio or you're doing professional video recording, you can connect the camera, do the throughput, and as you saw, I output it to my TV, but you could get a small monitor, put it below, and you can actually get to see exactly what is being outputted, which is fantastic. The other thing, of course, if you're a gamer and you want to use the headset connection, that works fantastic also. So, I hope this has been helpful for you. This is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech out. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget hit that little bell, and I'll be bringing you more product reviews in the near future. Until then, have a great day.